Life is full of exciting milestones, but even the ones you expect can happen before you're ready. InGear's auto safety tools prepare you and your loved ones in an auto emergency, giving you instant peace of mind. Auto Escape by InGear is the most advanced self-rescue tool of its kind. Its military-grade aluminum body is both waterproof and impact-resistant. Its powerful front LED projects 135 lumens on high and boasts a 28-hour SOS mode. Auto Escape allows you to quickly get out of dangerous situations. Its high carbon steel blade instantly slices through seatbelts, and 2 separate steel tips allow you to easily smash through glass. An included easy access mount keeps Auto Escape within quick reach, ready when and where you need it. As your loved ones hit the open road, trust that Auto Escape's exceptionally equipped auto safety features will keep them safe and out of harm's way. Auto Escape by InGear. Always there, always prepared.
The best survival kit is the one you wouldn't think of entering the untamed world without. It's small, compact, easy to use, and multifunctional. It can be taken anywhere. Knowing what this ultra-portable toolkit provides creates peace of mind. Remember, the MS5 is the easiest survival toolkit to carry, and one you'll never want to leave behind. The Motion Grade MS5 lets you blend in with nature and take advantage of all its beauty. It comes with a world-class water purifier. Explore the entire jungle without losing your sense of direction with the rugged military-style compass that efficiently puts you right on track. Survival requires the right set of tools and skills. With its easy fit blades, magnesium fire starter, folding grill, and flashlight, the MS5 has you covered. Precision and perfection are easily blended. Using premium materials, we have forged life-saving tools, creating a strong yet stylish product. We go above and beyond the contemporary to integrate more usefulness in every product. The MS5 has what you need to survive: a USB charger, SOS GPS tracker, a micro burner, fishing tackle, plus many more essentials. Support our Kickstarter today and share with us any feedback or thoughts you think will improve the MS5. And don't forget to share it with your friends and family.
In ancient Japan, the samurai were extremely powerful. They were warriors who followed a strict moral code and protected their loved ones to bring honor to their families. Their weapon of choice was the tapered samurai sword, which was so sharp that it could cut through a silk scarf gently dropped on its blade. We have recreated the iconic samurai sword, pocket-sized